Yo, this is Baby Todd Ice, aka Beast. This is Big Miho.
What to do?
Yeah. We're starting a new thing. It's like a talk show type thing. We just want to talk. I want to interview the creators, the vets, the heavy hitters, and so y'all can hear Crump. Yeah. Sometimes we read too much on social media, but I like to have conversations, especially with people that we want to hear from. You know what I mean? So shout out to the people that's been doing this too. You guys were my inspiration, like Crump Talk, Style Madness, you know, even the session reviews, like that was entertaining for Crump, and I loved it, and I just want to try it myself, yeah?
Hey.
So speaking about that, about creativity, and I just wanted to ask Big Miho, what is your perception on creativity?
Within Crump?
Yeah.
Creativity, man, that's just a very broad and wide subject. We have a couple of minutes, so I'm gonna give you, just my thoughts and feels on it. We come from a world where creativity was very limited, but expression was very broad. So it helped us understand that we could almost bring anything to life with character. That's how like storytelling became huge for me in my field of creativity, and like something that everybody is very familiar with. Can almost be anything. This can be material to use that. Like that simple line was nothing until I started to add character to it. Until I started to understand that that line could then become a object,
A killer.
like material is something that takes time. It's not something that you can just think of at the moment and you think that is going to be accepted by your peers in that sense. Like for you to put thought and feeling and action behind it is like, I think, extremely important. Like, so to take like precaution on your thoughts when it comes to creating is super important. Like, not to just rush and get shit out. You know, like that's good for your lab. That's good for you to help like build your arsenal of your creativity. But like to nurture it, to take time to detail this shit is like super important. Sorry.
Oh, you good.
Okay.
With that being said, Todd Ice has been teaching SLX, and he's been teaching material, and he also gives this man, Big Miho, the part about the combo. I mean, with me, that was a big surprise for me too, because, you know, Big Miho, big dude, and just straight up street bully type, but to hear that Miho was the one that had the idea to start combos up, like, how was that?
We were students, man. We were super students of just like dance in general. So like there was a time where we used to watch so much footage of just dance in general. So like this is gonna give other dance like some cred of helping us creatively. You know what I'm saying? Like I remember when we start to watch like b-boy like competitions, and to see that they used to really like pay attention to their power moves, their ground moves, and just for them to like sync all of that shit together just gave us ideas of syncing our shit together. Like, and I don't want to say that we stole that idea. No, it just helped us understand that this is what we can do. Like everybody puts combos together. That's what choreography is. It's piecing movements together, but it's all on you to, of course, finesse it within timing, within patience, like understanding the musicality, having that relationship with the music to know when the music is switching up, to throw that combo in, to make the crowd understand that this is the time for me to go up in this combo. I remember us creating breaks, and when the train was just now coming in, and that's like one of the first combos that I helped like come up with. And I remember helping people like Pico. He killed off a whole fucking battle zone with a combo that I gave him, because a lot of people wasn't like keen to that idea. They wasn't really like understanding that this is a new transition for our crump movement, that now we could sync these moves together and with the proper understanding of the music and present them in a combination. Like, people wasn't onto that. So me seeing Tight Eyes do certain things by themselves, which was material, we used to make material also go on for a very long time, and he helped me understand that, like, to take one concept and expand on it as much as we can. Like, we started to also understand, because we chopped up a lot of our music. Like, fucking with Tommy, he had this dope ass machine where us dancers were able to chop and slow down or speed up our own music. So for us to start to catch the breaks in our music was like really dope, to add combinations to it.
Yeah, man, that's some history right there. Thank you. And that's why we wanted to do this. But any last words?
Sorry for rambling.
No. This is why we're doing this. Yeah. Any last words for people, like, to stay creative?
That's what this dance is about. We're a conceptual dance. I feel like the creativity, whether it's in your get off or if it's just within material, like, that helps us thrive and helps us look separate than other dances. There's not a lot of dancers, unless they're like super fucking like thorough in their dance style, that they're bringing hella creativity. But us as crumpers, this is like second nature. You feel me? So like, I think for you to constantly like work on that is just the way to be a crumper. Like, so if you're not adding creativity to your shit, you're whack.
And that's how we're gonna end it. Yeah. Thank you, Big Miho.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.